Welcome back to the next topic, students, stereoisomers. In stereoisomer, we have geometrical isomer and the optical isomer. The spatial arrangement of the atoms are present in a geometrical isomer. There are two types, that is coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. If the coordination number 4 means maybe tetrahedral or square planar, and there is no tetrahedral structure for this coordination number for geometrical isomerism, only square planar. In coordination number 6 means octahedral. This is one more question. No tetrahedral, only square planar if the coordination number is 4 in geometrical isomerism. Whereas in optical isomerism, coordination number 4 for tetrahedral, no square planar. But in both the number coordination 6 is octahedral. So this is a one more question. Let us see the geometrical isomerism. No tetrahedral, only square planar and the octahedral. Coordination number 4 for square planar, coordination number 6 for a octahedral. Now we will see the square planar, four types of square planar. M, A2, B2, one type. M is called central metal and these are the ligons. So M, A2, BC is another example. Next, M is a central metal, XY is the another ligon, and MABCD is the another ligon. So there are four types of ligons attached with the central metal. It gives a square planar. Let us see one by one example. Type 1 M A2 B2. A, B are nothing but monodentates. Here I said these are monodentates. X, Y are called as a bidentate. So what it is giving that the AB letter shows monodentate. Example M for PT, platinum. A2 for a NH3 twice. B2 for Cl2. The whole power 2 plus. So there is, we will write it central metal ion to be written at the center in a square. So in square of, you just number it 1, 2, 3, 4. The position 1, 2 is same, means it is cis. The position 2, 4 is same, means it is a trans and diagonally opposite. 2, 4 for a trans, 1, 2 for a cis. Now you write this formula according to this structure. So now PT at the center and NH3, NH3. Amine groups are first position, second position, third position Cl, fourth position Cl. So these two 1, 2 positions are same. It is called cis position. Now interchanging this 1 and 4. So 1 is coming down. Fourth position Cl is going up. So we are getting a Cl here, NH3 here. So 2 and 4 are diagonally opposite, same. So they are a trans. So this is called cis position and trans position. By saying 1, 2 positions are same is called cis. 2, 4 positions are same is called as a trans. Next type 2, that is Ma2BC. So for A, B, C are nothing but monodentates. Platinum again we will take, and A2 have taken NH3 amine group, diamine, and a B and a bromine, and bromido C we can consider as a chlorido. So chlorido and bromido and amine group all are a monodentates. This is neutral ligon. These two are a negative ligons. So now let us see this. PT I have taken, and first position NH3, second position NH3, third is Cl, and the fourth one is Br. So what this is cis, because 1, 2 positions are same NH3, so it is a cis. And here interchanging Br to NH3, NH through Br. So when you interchange, NH3 will come down, diagonally equal, opposite to each other. So what it does, 2, 4 or same position. So trans. Next type 3 is a MXY2. This XY is called bidentate. It is not monodentate, it is a bidentate. So what a amino acetato. Amino acetato, it is a carbon 1 donor and nitrogen 1 donor. So it is a 2 donor ligon. So platinum NH2 CH2 COO, amino acetato. So here this is the structure of platinum. So this, it is bidentate, means it form a ring form. So NH2 CH2 C double bond O, O one ring. Then again NH2, CH2, C double bond O, one ring. So these two structures of this NH2 are placed in a same position is called cis. When you interchange this O that side and NH2 this side, this full portion is going up, NH2 is coming down. So it is called NH2 and NH2 diagonally opposite. So it is a trans structure ring formation. Then last type is type 4 and the metal A, B, C, D or monodentate. One ammonia, one chlorido, bromido and a nitrito KN. This is nitrito group and a rule to be followed. So first rule is keep the A fixed and placing the other legons B, C, D trans to H. So keep the A as a fixed. Just I have written a general formula metal written A, B, C, D. So I fixed this position of A here. Then I am interchanging B, C, D to trans to H. C is trans to A, it is a transforming. Then interchanging B and C, and B is coming down. So B is opposite to each other. So it is a trans. And interchanging B and D, D come to the place of B. So even here also it is a trans. So in almost we are getting only trans, no cis at all in this example. So what example I have taken this example here I have chosen platinum central metal. One is NH3 Cl Br NO2. I have taken this NH3 as a A. So here NH3 taken A, B is Br and C Cl D NO2. So I fixed this A position NH3. Then this is C is opposite to NH3, so it is a trans. Then interchanging B and C position. So Br is coming down, Cl is going up. So this Br is opposite to the NH3. Even this also is a transposition. And then this Br is coming to the place of D. D is going here, NO2. Even this is also, it is a diagonally opposite to each other. So everything is produces transposition, no cis position at all it forms. So that is called a ABCD monodentate. In all the legons are in different. All trans not cis isomers at all. So octahedral, here in this octahedral metal to be taken and place, I mean 4 corners and top and bottom. How to numbering is very important. First top number 1, next 2, 3, 4, 5 and then this is down 6. If the legons are in a 1-2 positions are same as a cis. If 1-6 position is same is called trans. It is very, very important because lot of possibilities are there. In order to avoid the confusion, they have fixed the position to the cis and trans. Cis means 1-2 position is same is called cis and 1-6 positions are same is called as a trans. Let us see the example in octahedral complex MA3B3. A3B3 or a monodentate and this is N is the charge. I mean this is number of the charge and plus or minus. So example CO, NO2 thrice and NH3 thrice. 3 legons are same donor atom because both are unidentate and at corners of triangular face octahedral. It has a facial as well as called as a Fick isomer and in the corner of the square of the plane is a meridian is called as a mer isomers. So in triangular shape as well as in a square shape of the triangle comes, it is called Fick isomer and a mer isomer. Please listen this one. Example for octahedral central metal ion at the center and A, B, B, B. Here example Ma3B3. So I have written A3 legons and B3 legons. Here when you line joins here and this end. So you are getting as a triangle. This is called facial isomer. That is called Fick isomer. So this is here when you take here just interchanging this B and A is interchange. B come to the top, A come to down. So here A and A in a square planar. In this imagine square, in the square we are getting the triangle. So this is the triangle of getting here. So this is a Merck isomer. So what the example I have given here, that is CO at the center, NO2, NO2, NO2. These are considered as a and this is B, three amine group. So NO2, 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 when you join, you are getting as a triangle at the corner. So it is called as a fake isomer. And in the square planar, the interchanging this NO2 and NH3. NH3 go top, NO2 down. So what this NO2, this NO2, this NO2 meets in the square, form a triangle. So it is called Merck isomer. This is fake isomer and this is called Merck isomer. Facial isomer and meridian isomers. So this diagram is very important. Meeting the 3-nitrate in triangle at the corners. Here also at the meeting at the triangle in the square plane. So it is a Merck isomer, it is a fake isomer. Next thing is optical isomers. Certain organic or inorganic compounds having the property of rotating plane polarized light is called as an optical isomer. Already you studied in first year. For example, PTCl2 and En twice. This is called bis-ethylene diamine. So this is chlorido, dichlorido, bis-ethylene diamine, platinum 2 ion. So here platinum at the center, ClCl. Here ethylene diamine, here ethylene diamine. In short, I have written when you keep a mirror, you'll get the image of the Cl will face to face, and this En will be go outside. So this is called as a optical isomers. Thank you, students.